10 amazing health benefits of castor oil. Tired of synthetic solutions and endless pharmacy visits? Discover the ancient secret that's been used for centuries. Castor oil, a natural powerhouse, offers a multitude of health benefits. Are you struggling with dry skin, thinning hair, or persistent joint pain? Do you feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of expensive creams and complicated treatments available? Castor oil might be the simple, natural solution you've been searching for. This humble oil is a powerhouse of health benefits, often overlooked in our modern world. From promoting luscious hair growth to relieving joint pain and even boosting your immune system, castor oil offers a wide range of therapeutic properties. It's a natural remedy with a rich history. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible health benefits of castor oil. Prepare to be amazed by the transformative potential of this natural wonder. Let's explore the amazing benefits of castor oil. You'll be surprised by its versatility and effectiveness. Dreaming of longer, thicker hair? Castor oil can help. Its secret lies in ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid stimulates circulation in the scalp. This improved blood flow nourishes hair follicles, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. Simply massage castor oil into your scalp regularly. You'll notice a difference in the thickness and growth rate of your hair. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. Castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. It's a powerful emollient, meaning it helps to lock in moisture. This keeps your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your skin after showering. You'll experience long-lasting hydration and a healthy glow. Suffering from aching joints or muscle pain? Castor oil can provide relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe inflammation. This makes it effective for relieving joint pain, muscle soreness, and even skin irritations. Massage castor oil onto affected areas to reduce inflammation. You'll experience noticeable relief from pain and discomfort. Minor cuts, scrapes, and burns can be a nuisance. Castor oil can speed up the healing process. It promotes tissue regeneration and helps to keep wounds clean. This reduces the risk of infection and encourages faster healing. Apply a thin layer of castor oil to minor wounds. You'll see a noticeable improvement in healing time. Tired of battling acne breakouts? Castor oil can help clear your skin. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties fight acne-causing bacteria. It also reduces inflammation associated with breakouts. Apply a small amount of castor oil to acne-prone areas. You'll notice a reduction in breakouts and clearer skin. Dealing with occasional constipation? Castor oil can provide gentle relief. It acts as a natural laxative, stimulating bowel movements. However, use it with caution and always consult your doctor before using it for this purpose. Take a small dose of castor oil as directed by your doctor. You'll experience relief from constipation. Want to maintain a youthful appearance? Castor oil can help reduce wrinkles. It boosts collagen production, which helps to keep skin firm and elastic. It also hydrates the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply castor oil to your face before bed. You'll wake up with smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Struggling with nail fungus or skin infections? Castor oil can help fight these infections. Its antifungal properties make it effective for treating nail fungus and skin infections. It helps to kill the fungus and promote healing. Apply castor oil to affected areas regularly. You'll see a gradual improvement in the condition of your nails or skin. Ouch! Sunburn got you down? Castor oil can provide soothing relief. It reduces inflammation and promotes healing of sun-damaged skin. It also helps to moisturize and protect the skin. Apply castor oil to sunburned areas. You'll experience relief from pain and inflammation. Did you know castor oil can even boost your immunity? It's true! Castor oil packs can stimulate the lymphatic system. This helps to remove toxins and boost your body's natural defenses. Apply a castor oil pack to your abdomen. You'll experience an overall boost in your immune system. Before you start using castor oil, keep these important considerations in mind. Quality and safety are key. Choose high-quality, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This ensures you're getting the purest and most effective product. Always perform a patch test before widespread use. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a small area of skin and wait 24 hours to check for allergic reactions. Remember, a little goes a long way. Use castor oil in moderation to avoid any potential side effects. Let's recap the amazing benefits we've covered. Castor oil is truly a versatile natural remedy. We've explored 10 incredible health benefits of castor oil. From hair growth to immune boosting, it's a natural powerhouse. Now it's time to experience the transformative power of castor oil for yourself. Start incorporating it into your daily routine. For even better results, try mixing castor oil with carrier oils like coconut or olive oil. This can make application easier. Dilution also enhances the skin and hair benefits. It allows for better absorption and reduces the risk of irritation. We want to hear from you. Have you tried castor oil for any of these benefits? Share your experiences with castor oil in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Our goal is to create new content to help you live your best life. We're dedicated to providing you with valuable information and natural remedies. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you found this video informative. More health videos can be found now by clicking the boxes that have appeared on screen. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.